Hello and welcome my friend, and then important information that what means if we have this red oil can in our engine. What that means. This is really bad situation because now I have low oil pressure, and when we go to check area, first the gasoline is empty, but this is bad. I have really red oil can and motor is vibrating, and that means now that I have really bad oil failure, and now I have to turn off my engine. Okay, and really if this happens, that we have, when we check in these arrows in here, that we have this really this, firstly I have low battery in my key, and then now there is only information that my key battery is low. But then when I start this my engine, what we can see this red light. And now engine is even difficult to run. Maybe I have in here some big engine damage by this oil pressure light. When we look this check, and now there is only two of those, but earlier there was this oil pressure light. Can we see that now? Now there is oil pressure, yeah. And this is really bad situation.